OnePlus has been killing it with its flagship phones. But what's next? Is a OnePlus 13S coming? Hey guys, TechxBharat here. OnePlus usually drops its numbered flagships every year, but recently we've seen T and R models too. Now, leaks suggest a possible OnePlus 13S. So what's the deal? Let's dive in. Rumored specs. Here's what we might get. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for insane performance. A 6.8-inch 2K AMOLED display with LTPO 120 Hz. Upgraded Hasselblad cameras, maybe a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 100-watt fast charging with a bigger battery. But will it be a minor upgrade or a game changer? Why a 13S? Now, why S and not 13T? Maybe OnePlus is copying Xiaomi's S models for a mid-cycle refresh. Or could this be a China-exclusive phone? We'll have to wait and see. Should you wait? If you're eyeing a OnePlus 12 right now, should you wait? Well, if the 13S brings major upgrades, maybe. But if you need a phone now, the 12 is still a beast. Let me know in the comments. Would you wait for the 13Ss? That's all for now. If you like this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech leaks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.